What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be doing a review on 303 interior and exterior protectants. We're going to see how it's applied. We're going to read the instructions. We're going to see how it looks. We're going to see how it performs overall and leave you with a pretty good review so that way you can make a decision on if you want to buy this product or not. So let's get straight into it. Use only on a clean surface. Spray surface with product and wipe completely dry with a clean dry microfiber. Also be applied directly onto a microfiber or towel. Streaking occurs, too much product has been used. Use a wet towel to remove excess and immediately wipe completely dry. This product does not air dry. Interesting. Apply every 3 to 5 weeks for maximum UV protection. Great for a variety of surfaces such as vinyl, rubber, finished leather, chrome, alloy, plastic, synthetic, or natural rubber, gel coat, and fiberglass. Do not use on unfinished leather such as suede, fabrics, canvas, flooring, clear plastic, gauge panels, or headlights. Got to be careful with that. Eye irritant. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. May cause skin irritation with prolonged contact. Wear protective eyewear and avoid breathing vapors and mist. Use with adequate ventilation. This seems like some pretty bad stuff to be working with. Now, with that being said, if this stuff is that potent and that strong to be working with, maybe it'll perform the way that we're probably all hoping that it will. So let's go ahead and see. So the first thing I'm going to do is open this thing up. So have it open at the top here, and I am going to just test it here. I have never used this product before. I'm not going to use it in a wide place. I'm just going to use it in this one place. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take a microfiber towel and then I'm going to wipe. What I can see right now is I'm not really satisfied. It's splotchy. Does it work as a protectant? I don't know. I'm going to use this a little bit more and I'm going to let it sit for a second. So just let that sit. And then I'm going to wipe it again. So first application is splotchy. I don't know if this product is soaking into the plastic. Don't know. But I'm just letting you see. So this is before, this is after. Before, after. So that's 303. So on the inside, it does have a very pungent smell. If you're sensitive to smells, I would definitely not buy this product. If you are sensitive to smells, do not buy it. It's awful. It's absolutely horrible. Don't buy it. So this has been a review of 303. Also, check out the merch. Go to the store. Check it out right there. We have t-shirts, coffee. We also have women's clothes. We have other products on there. Definitely check it out. Look right underneath this video if you're on a mobile device, and also look at the tag. It's either going to be up at the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.